What's up, Phoenix? My name is Jake. I'm the owner of Modern Resolution Windows and Doors. Today, we're gonna get down and dirty. So, if you have all the aluminum windows that are original to the home, take a look at this right here. You have little bees that are down there, little critters that are down there, and they're living in your house. So anytime you see a bunch of spiders, scorpions, or anything like that, the first place you wanna look at is your doors and windows. Look at all this. This is just years of buildup, and how do you get in there and clean it? The track isn't made for that. So right here, you might want to ask yourself how these critters are getting in. First off, the seals right here meet at a corner on the rubber seal, but then the actual frame itself is a 90-degree angle. On top of that, right here under this, you can see there's a lot of space for these critters to get in. And what they do is they look for the point of least resistance, meaning that they want to come into a cool place in the summertime. So what they'll do is they'll try to slide under, they'll feel where that cooler air is, and they'll try to go in there. And a lot of the times they die going in there because they can't make it out. But how much of these critters are living in your house that you don't know about, or that you do know about, but can't imagine it being another way? So what I'm gonna do is show you the replacement window after, and the total, just polarizing difference between replacement windows and the old windows that you have in your home right now. So I'll see you then.
A few moments later.
What's up, guys? I want you to see something here. So I showed you a video of the older windows and how there was a bug cemetery in the actual threshold of the window. So come and look at the new windows. Okay, when I say it makes a huge difference to your house, just look at this. Super clean lines. You don't have a bug cemetery. There's no place for a bug cemetery here. The bug has a cemetery, it's gotta be right there. There's no place for the bug to come in. Now, one thing I want you to look at real quick is down here, inside this glass, okay? And I know it's kind of hard to see with the light, but this corner right here on the inside of the glass panel actually curves instead of meeting at a full 90-degree angle. And that protects that seal from stuff getting inside of it. So all that dust that was coming in before doesn't have anywhere to get in. So these windows add so much, how do I say it? It just adds so much security for the home in terms of like microorganisms. The glass is actually, self-cleaning glass, and it doesn't allow rain to stick on it. And then even the screens, this one doesn't have a screen, but they're actually antimicrobial. So it really helps with a lot of that. There's some of the worries when it comes to moisture, but just the overall cleanliness of this now that you have the replacement window in adds a completely different dimension to the house. Not to mention the sound benefits, the energy benefits, the SRP rebates. We're here in Chandler today, so you do get an SRP rebates. There's a federal rebate as well. You can save a ton of money, and then your AC unit's gonna get saved by like almost half of its life. So the windows make a huge difference. It's up to you.